Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about batteries and how they annoy me, how they're expensive, and the solution to that. So I went ahead and talked with EBL. They're a rechargeable battery company here, and they went ahead and sent out their rechargeable battery kit. This one comes with 4 AAA batteries and 4 AA batteries. If you haven't seen my video on me designing and virtual reality, that is a really cool experience. I recommend you check that video out. But whether you're using these controllers doing that or not, the battery is still being used on these controllers and they eat through extremely fast. So EBL thought they would solve that solution for me and send me out some rechargeable batteries so I don't have to continuously buy $16 packs of batteries, which is just absurd. And on top of that, I'll have a set for my little Xbox controller here so I can do something while the laser's running here. With that said, let's go ahead and do a face down unboxing of this and see what's all included. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing, show you what it all comes with. This is capable of recharging AA's, AAA's, or 9-volt batteries, and we're going to get into that here. On the back, if you want to read those features, you can read those right here, but it's basically what I already covered. We're going to open this up and share with you what all comes with it. This pack, like I mentioned earlier, has AAA's and AA's in them. And then we have the actual unit itself, the pamphlet, and the charging cable. So you get a pamphlet, charging cable, and essentially the unit itself that recharges the batteries. So as you can see here, you have your 9 volts, which will stand up in here. You have to buy the 9 volts separately, but this one comes with 4 AAA's and 4 AA's, and then you'll just put those in here. With that said, let's go ahead and open up the AA's here. This is what we're going to use most, and it looks like this right here. They have 4 batteries in there. Looks great. And then we're going to pop those into the charger here. You can charge these up. We'll go ahead and charge these up, and then we'll place them into one of our little controllers as well. Let's go ahead and see if it fits into our controller here. So we're going to be replacing this battery inside here. This way we never have to recharge this again. And as you can see, it fits in there perfectly and it works great. So this is going to work great here for recharging. Obviously, I'm going to have to charge these up and then do a test over like a course of a year here, see how long the batteries will last and recharge. So we'll kind of do a follow-up video for this. The other thing I wanted to test is on this Xbox controller really quick for you guys. Because this Xbox controller is already kind of tight. So these batteries look a little bit larger than these. So it's probably going to be kind of tight. That's the only downside that I'm seeing so far. But let's take a look here. So let me get these out of here. And this one went face down. So yeah, it is a little snug. As you can see, I got to kind of push it to go down there. So these are slightly bigger. That's something that you're going to have to look out for. That's the only thing that I can see that's kind of out of the ordinary for these batteries. Yeah, see, it's kind of snug and you gotta kind of push it in there. But it is there. Let's see if it has any charge to these already. And we'll just go ahead and turn our controller on. As you can see, they already have a charge and they're good to go. And it's already synced to my Xbox and I'm ready to play. So overall, these are gonna be a huge benefit. I definitely recommend that you guys check this out. Like I said, the only downside that I see is the battery is slightly bigger than this. So if you have a very tight area, that's the only thing to look out for. But this is going to be a huge help. I really appreciate EBL for sending this out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll put a link down in the description below.